How to track your Shein order. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to track your Shein order, in today's video we will be guiding you how to do so. So what you may do is you may just head over and log in into your Shein account, either through the application or through the website, and once you are there, you can navigate to the My Order section. For that, you can look out for the Me tab in the bottom right corner, usually located. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, here you will be finding your profile. Including that, you will be also finding option called My Orders. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, here you will be finding your orders right here. So you can just go ahead and look out for the specific order that you want to track. So we have unpaid order in this unpaid list. The orders which are being processed, it will be in this processing following list. And if the order is already shipped, you will be finding it on shipped. If it is on review, you can just go ahead and find it on review. And if it is on returns, you can just go ahead and find it here. You may just go ahead and look out for the product that you would like from the section right here. You will just be finding your orders like this. So you can just go and look out for the track option if you would like to track your order, and it will show you and monitor the packages process progress through the Shein application, and that is it. So you may also follow the same process if you would like to track your Shein order. It is quite easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.